Unbelievable. Crushing. We're ready to unveil a range of incredibly impressive devices, transforming the arduous task of chopping wood into an effortless and powerful performance. This amazing homemade wood splitter is truly a game changer in the world of woodworking. The wood splitting machine is equipped with a powerful engine boasting impressive horsepower, providing strong and stable torque to the entire system. Thanks to this power source, the machine easily splits large, hard logs in just seconds. The combination of clever design, a durable engine, and high performance transforms a laborious task into a quick, smooth, and convincing process. The Vibo 3 kilowatts electric motor, combined with a frequency converter, demonstrates incredible power in smoothly and precisely cutting massive logs. The stable operating rhythm and perfectly controlled cutting force allow the machine to process large volumes of firewood in an extremely short time. Wow, this is handling firewood on a whole other level. The combination of an electric table saw and a chainsaw creates superior power and versatility, allowing for fast, precise, and clean wood cutting. Each clean cut and continuous operation transforms a laborious task into a smooth, powerful, and convincing process. Red oak bolts are being powerfully processed by a Clearman Lumber Pro 48-inch saw. The massive saw blade spirals deep into each thick, hard red oak log, creating precise, clean, and incredibly smooth cuts. This is a pinnacle of industrial sawing technology, where power, stability, and precision combine to transform heavy, rough logs into finished material in a short amount of time. The best part was the moment the machine started operating. My homemade McLeod woodworking machine worked incredibly smoothly, cutting and splitting a 2.4-meter log in about 3 minutes. Each step was seamless and decisive, transforming what was once a laborious task into a quick and satisfying process. Clear evidence of the power of a well-executed, right idea. The homemade wood processing machine is a vivid testament to the relentless process of innovation. Initially, it was just a simple wood-splitting machine with a conveyor belt, but over time, it has been continuously improved and enhanced with many new details, transforming it into a complete wood processing system. Each upgrade aimed for higher efficiency, smoother operation, and faster wood processing, demonstrating how an initial idea can evolve into a truly impressive machine. The Stihl MS661 chainsaw, paired with the Wallenstein WP845 lawn mower, works like magic in your backyard. In the blink of an eye, unwanted branches disappear, only to reappear as neat, useful logs. The decisive power of the MS661, combined with the intelligent working mechanism of the WP845, transforms wood processing into a fast, clean, and captivating performance. Next up is a homemade woodworking machine, and all you can say is, wow, this machine cuts a log in just 0.88 seconds, a truly insane number. Even cuts in just 2 seconds are enough to leave viewers stunned. Speed, power, and precision combine to create an unbelievable but completely real performance. This homemade firewood processing machine, utilizing a diesel-powered Kubota chainsaw with direct belt drive, is the perfect example of how far technology has advanced in simplifying firewood production. Stable traction, powerful torque, and an efficient drive system ensure fast, smooth, and reliable cutting, transforming a laborious task into a neat and efficient process. This is how firewood is produced using just one processing machine, where every step is seamlessly connected, transforming raw wood into finished product in a short time. Wow, this is straight out of a fairy tale. The demonstration of the 16-inch wood processing and chipping machine was truly amazing, as large logs were quickly swallowed and transformed into meat material in the blink of an eye. The power, speed, and smoothness of each movement created a spectacle that was both magical and powerful, captivating the audience. Join me on a fascinating journey to the timber factory, where every step reflects the weight of craftsmanship and experience. Here, you'll witness firsthand the complete process from raw timber to finished product, from cutting, splitting, and chipping to sorting and transportation. The constant hum of machinery, with its massive machines operating rhythmically, transforms enormous quantities of wood into neat, precise products. It's the perfect combination of technology, mechanical power, and practical production efficiency. This homemade wood-splitting machine is often likened to Thor's hammer in the mechanical world. Each time it's operated, the splitting force is decisive and powerful, subduing even the toughest logs. The combination of raw power and clever design creates the feeling of witnessing a legendary weapon transform arduous work into a spectacular display. And then the most anticipated moment arrived. The next homemade wood processing machine, with its first test run, opened up a thrilling feeling as the machine began to move, each mechanism fitting together and the first logs being processed, marking the transition from idea to actual power. From a humble backyard idea to true operational power, The sweet homemade Firewood processor embodies the creative DIY spirit, with every detail optimized for efficient wood cutting and splitting. Without being flashy or extravagant, the machine delivers impressive performance, transforming the everyday task of gathering firewood into a neat, fast, and satisfying process. When uniformity becomes a key factor in productivity, the Cord King M1820 woodcutter stands out with its repeating wedge-shaped cutting blade, producing uniformly sized logs, ideal for bundling and packaging. The precise cutting mechanism and continuous operation ensure fast, efficient, and stable processing, optimizing productivity in professional wood production. When speed is everything. The Posh K650 wood processing machine is designed for high-speed production with a powerful cutting-splitting system and continuous work cycle. It's fast and stable. Processing capabilities allow it to transform large volumes of wood into uniform finished products in a short time, perfectly meeting the needs of professional production and maximizing efficiency. The Petzolato TLA-18 TB900 specialized firewood production line is a complete system, combining the TLA-18 saw and the TB900 splitter, along with a supporting manual splitting station. Installed by Petzolato in Georgia, USA, this system is operating at full capacity, processing wood continuously with high precision, a stable work rhythm, and impressive productivity, a clear testament to the effectiveness of a professional firewood production solution.